Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be stir-fry fermented bean fish head. Simple stir-fry fish head, and I've included the bones, no waste. You can use the same recipe for the fish meat too. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Mix the marinade with the fish parts and let it sit for around 15 minutes in the fridge. Chop the scallops into small pieces. Julian cut the gingers. Mince the garlic. Wash away the mixture from the fish and use paper towel to dry the fish. Add in some salt, pepper and more cornstarch and mix well. Add in enough oil to cover at least half of the fish for frying. Shake off any excess cornstarch and put fish into the wok away from you. Fry until golden brown. Wash the wok and add in some oil. Add in the ginger and fry till golden. Add in the garlic and shallot and fry till softened. Add in some water and the fermented beans. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon fish sauce and sesame oil. Stir a while and fishes goes in and mix. Add in the parsley and stir a while. And it's done, let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!